and he's got a 6500 Blizzard. This is from the 2020 show. Yeah, whenever you're ready. I'll get up close for good audio.
Okay. This is my 1978 6500 Blizzard. Bought last fall. Came the way you see it. We have factory motor and everything. We had some issues with it. We had some electrical problems. There's somebody been in there fooling around and cut off wires and stuff here. Took the ground wire out of the headlight in the harness. Some fuel issues and things like that. We got the bugs pretty well worked out of it now. It runs good. This is first run today. It's the first time it's been able to. We have no snow at home, so we brought it out and ran it. It seems to be okay.
Good, good.
Which is good news. It had been working on it since last fall.
Well,
you might give Goose a call and get a new wiring harness for it so that everything's correct next
yeah,
year.
yeah.
Get everything where it should be. It seems okay now.
Good,
Good this morning.
Nice. Feel like starting her up? That's nice.
Everything works now.
That's cool. Very nice. That's one of the nicer looking sleds ever, in my opinion.
They handle nice too. They're fun to ride. They're very predictable. I replaced this rear panel because it wasn't beat up or broken. It was just scuffy, scratched.
Yeah.
I've done a few of them now. They're pretty easy to do.
Nice.
It was unusual because nothing's broken. There's cracks in the back. If these things are ridden hard or raced, they're always broken back here somewhere.
Oh, really?
And these you can replace. These you can't.
Oh, really?
This one, this is just the way. Yeah.
Nice. That looks really nice. Sweet. I appreciate it. Yeah. That sled is easy on the eyes, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree. That's one of the better looking sleds. That old Bombardier always had a good looking snowmobile.
Yes.
Plus, it sounds great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Twin exhaust expansion chambers.